Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction. Now we solve it by the rules of PEMDAS. Now we solve first of all parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Now we have one parenthesis here and one multiplication here and one division here. Now we solve it. First of all parentheses, the equation become 120 divided by 30. Inside of the parenthesis 2 plus 3 give us 5, and here one multiplication. Now 2 plus 3 give us 5. According to the rule of PEMDAS, we solve it multiplication and division. Now we solve it from left to right. From left we have division and then multiplication. Now 120 divided by 30 give us 4. Multiply by 5. The final answer is 4 times 5 give us 20. Answer is 20. Thanks for watching.